The truth about Manhattan housing market right now. New York City housing market is turning the corner. Buyers are experiencing a different market than sellers right now, and I want to take a minute to talk about it. So right now, price average reflects the bottom of the dip since it looks at deals that already closed, which means that they were negotiated in approximately 4 months ago. But if we switch to looking at prices of listings that recently signed a contract, there is a different story to tell. So the sold price is what many buyers would look at, but it is the deals that reflect the market of last quarter of 2023, back when they were negotiated. The sellers, on the other hand, together with their agents, analyze carefully listings that were going into contract recently, since they are representing the market right now. It is true that contract signed will not disclose the actual price the contract is for, but we can get an estimate based on the days on the market, recent reductions, and more. The bottom line is that the market is shifting towards a seller's market, and how you look at different data to measure the same thing matter and can cause confusion. Now let's talk about the numbers. Last week was the biggest week of the year so far in terms of supply, with over 400 listings coming to the market. And this is a good pace, although it is slightly lower than last year. So buyers can finally look forward to seeing more inventory this spring season, when March through June is really reaching the peak inventory. Now, contract sign activity is on the rise, over 15% increase from previous month and still counting up. About the interest rate, although there is a 97% chance the Fed is pausing its interest rate cut and 50% chance it will cut rates for the first time in June, the climate index is recovery after 7 months of a challenging environment. So what's the bottom line? For the first time in very long, the market is shifting to be more rewarding for sellers. Contract sign activity is up, inventory is rising, and it is time for a wake-up call. Buyers who are still looking at 4 months old data have expectations that are not lined up with what the market is experiencing. With a rising, much healthier market, hopefully we can all meet in the middle.